Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Asset FX right here, and on this video I'm going to be talking about the second backtesting software. And if you noticed, I made a first video about how to use, or I made a first video about using the Casa Trader as a backtesting software, and this will be the second one. So if you have not watched that, please do well to watch it. Either check up here, the card will be right here, or you check the comment section to get the link to watch that first video. And please watch that video before watching this one, so you can compare and know which one will work best for you. So without further ado, I would like us to dive into it. And remember, this is just the second one. The third one, which is the best one, I'll be making another video for that one. So please guys, do well to watch to the end. And if you have any question regarding the first video or this one right now, just drop it in the comment section below and I'll be there to answer your question. So without further ado, let's dive into it. So guys, right here we have the go charting. Today we are going to be talking about go charting. Now on the last video we talked about Casa Trader. So on this one we are going to be discussing go charting. So you just go to your browser, type this gocharting.com. You create an account with your email, or with your email. Yes, with your email. So here I've already logged in already. So you come over here to this product, you see chart and all, you see all this option. You just click on chart, it will take you straight to the chart. So heading over to the chart, unlike Casa Trader, the ads usually cover everything and you won't be able to do anything. But here, like I said in the first video, on this one, you see this an ad here, but you can see the ad is showing and I'm still able to do whatever I'm doing here. As you can see, I'm still able to do what I'm doing here. You can see it with the ad. And if I want to make use of this portion of the screen, I'll just come over here and remove the ad. The ad might come very soon, but it won't stop me from doing whatever I'm doing. So here on the go charting interface, this data, I don't think their data are from I don't think their data are from TradingView, unlike Casa Trader, which their data are from TradingView. So heading over, we have the interface right here. This will just move this up. Yeah. So this is the interface right here. So you just, if you want to backtest here, you just come over here and choose the pair you want to backtest with. You can choose the pair over here, but there's a watch list that I've already saved. So I'll just bring that up before going to the main. Look at that ad, it's up here again. The ad is right up here again. So going to the wait list. Yeah, easy here. So after choosing the pair you want to work with, so right here we have our tool, that is this cursor, this arrow cursor. We have the drawing tool, we have the vertical line, like that is this line here, right here. We have arrow tool, we have this ray, and these are the rest of the tools here. You can just scroll down to choose more. Then over here we have layers. If you want this screen to split into two, like you want to look at two different charts, at once, so we have the layer here, and this more layout. So here is to just take like the full screen, and heading over here to save this particular chart, set an alert, finance, account. As account summary, this is where you get like when you have taken series of series of backtests, you come to this account here, so that it's going to give you details of the backtest you have done. or the other side where you can link an actual account to it here, so you can trade direct from here. And this trade, that is to create an order here right now, is one click. I think it's just like a quick trade, like on the other one, quick trade, just an instant execution. So then here is just a report record. Then I assume you all know what we have right here. Here's just the like chat setting and all that. Then this is the replay too, very important. This is the replay too here. These indicators, this to add, like to compare, like to add like what we have here. So that is that for this. This is the charts, the line charts, the like if you want to choose whichever chart you want to use. So that is it we have there. This is the time frame intervals, and here is the pair name. You can look for more pairs here to add. Here you can like you can either you hide or unhide indicators now on the chart here. So that is it for go charting. So heading over to our very important tool, that is this replay tool. Once you click on it, you can see the replay mode is on. So now you have to select from where you want to start backtesting from. Let's head over here and I double click, right? So it has brought me right to this place. So this for me to start analyzing and rest. This is the replay bar. You can just move it to any side of the screen. And this is if you want like how many seconds will it take a bar to come out, like to appear, to play out. Then here is just to in trade casa. Here you can just like skip bar by bar, like instead of the bar playing out, you can just make the bar come up like bar by bar. But here if you click on this, it's going to take you to the current price action. To take you straight to the current price action. So here we have the play, like the candle should start playing, as you can see. Yeah, that is here. In the beginning I set this stuff, like I used a something like a ray line to set where I want to start backtesting from. But this calendar, you can use it and set like date. That one is manual. This one is like using a calendar to set it. And here's just to cancel this stuff here. Look at this ad that have come up again. Casa trader would cover the whole space and won't let you do any other thing. But right here, this guy comes up by the side. As you can see, I can continue. So I can continue doing what I'm doing, or I can cancel it still. Yeah. So let's just move this a little bit. I don't want this candle to be too fast or too slow. So let's see. 1.9 seconds. That is, you can set it like to how fast or how slow you want it to come up. How fast or slow you want it to come up. You can switch time frame from here. These are the multiple time frame. You can favorite the ones you'll be using and switch. It will come up. It will come up here. You can switch. And I assume I've showed you guys all of this. All of this. I've showed you guys all of this. And I'll be uploading the next video, which is the last one on this. And that video is about what's the last one? FX replay. That FX replay is very nice. That's what I usually use. But when it starts misbehaving, I'll just switch to one of these ones that I've made here. So if you haven't watched the first video which I made on this particular topic, the first video where I explained or I showed you guys how to use trade casa, just look up here, you will see the card here, or instead check on the comment section I'll be dropping a link to that video on the comment section. So before going further, I would like you guys to subscribe to this channel so you get notified when I drop the next video about FX replay. So I'd like you guys to subscribe now. Subscribe, click the subscription button and turn on the post notification button to get notified when I make more video on this. Yes, I'm waiting. Subscribe, click the subscribe button, please. Please click. It's not hard. It's not that hard. Just a click, then the post notification, click it, and we are good to go. Thanks if you have done that though. So moving forward, when you watch the first video and watch this one and you have any question, if you have any question, just let me know in the comment section. I will be there to answer your question. And also, after watching the two of them, let me know which one you prefer, like which one will be more like it's more comfortable for you while using. Get, don't let me know. And don't forget, I'll be dropping the third one pretty soon. The third and final one, I'll be dropping it pretty soon. So don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notification, because that third one will be like, it's very lit. That third one is very lit. It has everything. Journaling, if you want to test your strategy, if it's journaling, you're like, the journaling is if you want to test your strategy or you want to improve an edge, or like, that one is very broad. But let me just leave the details for when I start making that video. So I guess that's all for this video, guys. I need you guys to subscribe to my YouTube channel. These guys, I really need your subscription. I really need your subscription. Any subscription I see, it's like it gives me motivation that I should make more video, guys. So please give me a subscribe, please. Thanks. I'm looking to see if there's anything I left out, because this video seems like fast. It seems quick, and I think there's something I'm forgetting, but I haven't seen. So guys, I think that will be all. And if there's anything you think I forgot here, just let me know in the comment section. After watching the two videos, let me know which one suits your trading style best, which one you enjoy, which one you feel is more easy to use. And also, don't forget, I will be dropping the third and final one. Remember, in the first video I said I will be saving the best for last, so you don't want to miss that last video, guys. That'll be all for this one. It's Asset FX right here. Peace.